So this is my review of ChatGPT Pro. ChatGPT Pro has DALL-E. DALL-E is basically the image creator. They have a data analysis, so you just put like a CSV file and you have a data analyst for you. And Classic GPT is basically a classic GPT where you just like enter, a prompt and it'll answer questions for you. And then there's a web browser version, which is a web browser, basically parses the web if you have questions. I mostly ask it for like Bitcoin stuff, crypto, and it does research for me. So it would just like parse the internet. It'll tell me. So this is not financial information. So Bitcoin's gonna hit 100 grand or 140K by 2024. As it says right here. And the next one is game time, negotiator, writing coach, improve your writing skills, cosmic dream painter, tech support, coloring book. So you create coloring books, laundry buddy, shoe chef, sticker whiz. Sure you can create stickers. Math mentor, hot mods, mocktails. You make alcohol drinks, and it could generate memes, which is pretty cool. But I mostly use DALL-E, data, ChatGPT, and web browser. These are good enough. So you have a data analyst, and you could attach files and image through the paper clip. The paper clip you can see here. And this one is the image.